Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your world. Immediately copy the entire world folder to an external location so nothing is lost. Once done, write down the exact Minecraft version and every mod or data pack you use. Mismatches cause crashes. Now close the game and any running servers and verify the backup opens in a separate client to confirm integrity. This prevents accidental overwrites and gives you a safe baseline to test updates without risking your live world. Next, you update the engine and dependencies. Install the target Minecraft release via the launcher or server jar, and then align your mod loader, Forge, or Fabric to the matching version. After that, update each mod and data pack to versions compatible with your target release. Read changelogs for breaking changes. Then load the backup copy in creative mode and scan logs for errors, resolving missing textures or ID conflicts. This step ensures the environment is stable before modifying your main save. Finally, you migrate the validated backup into your live slot. If conversion tools are needed, run chunk fixes and region optimizers first, then replace the original folder. Once switched, playtest critical areas and survival mechanics to confirm progression remains intact. If something goes wrong, restore your original backup immediately. Then isolate the offending mod or data pack by reintroducing items one at a time while watching the log for specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.